Hi guys, Tech Made Simple here, and I'm just showing you the Game Pi 43, this device that I got. I reviewed it before, and I've got a lot of questions on how to use the cheat codes in the arcade mode. So this is MAME right here, and this is the Game Pi 43. At the top we've got our power, audio, on and off switch. On the side we have the Ethernet port, the 4 USB ports, a Raspberry Pi 3B Plus in here. We have the L and R shoulder buttons. We have for your SD card for your image, TF card. And we have the backlight and volume. And on the front we have the directional pad, the keys, and with Retropie, unlike Recalbox, when you're in a game, you hit select and start to get out. But with this one and the Game Pi 43 build, you hit the hotkey and start to get out. So let's pick a game that a lot of people maybe have had problems with back in the day. So this is MAME. As the different arcade vendors, like SNK, Tecmo, but let's go to SNK. Let me see. Let me pick a game. Beast Busters was good. Let me see. Let's try POW, Prisoners of War. So let's try that. Okay. Let me move you up a little closer. So remember, to get to the RetroArch display, it's going to be a little bit different in Recalbox. Give myself some quarters. Real quick, 1 second. Okay, let's give myself some credits. See those credits going on right there? POW, Prisoners of War. So you're going to hit hotkey B. We're going to go to the RetroArch display. We're going to go to Options. And do you see right here where it says Display Main Menu? And it says Disabled. We're going to enable that. So when we go back, we're going to hit A. We're going to have a menu on our display. We're going to go down to cheat. They're going to be beating the crap out of me. Hit A. And then we're going to go to, we're going to push to the side too when we do this. Infinity Lives, Infinity Energy. Oh wow, I know people are going to light me up for this. Infinity Ammo, Invincibility. But hey, I'm just showing you how to, use the cheat codes. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. All right. So we're out of here. We're going to go, we're going to jump out of here, and then we're going to hit the hotkey and the B again. We're going to take some work to do this, by the way. We're going to go to B, and we're going to go to disable the main menu. We're going to disable it. Then we're going to go back in, and now we're fully beast mode, so we're going to do this. Hit start, and now let's kick some butt, dude. Yeah, look at that. Come on, I'll just stand here. Look at this. Can't touch me. Can't touch this. Da, 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 da. Can't touch this. I can't touch him either. But as you can see, I'm not being affected because the codes are on. So a lot of people that find some of these games difficult. Now, codes won't work with every game. There's a majority of MAME titles, a lot of them, but some of these codes, they just don't work with them, as well as the consoles too. So we'll go out of there, hotkey and start. That's to show you. Let me see if I can do it on one of the consoles. I know that a lot of the console codes are pre-programmed Game Genie, or what was the other one called? Game Genie, and the other one was called I forgot. There's two of them, but they're pre-programmed. So let's see. Let's pick a console. Let me pick. Let's go with Super Nintendo. Oh, they got Super Nintendo hat games. Galistio has a great Recalbox image. I can't tell you how great this image is with just everything, artwork. all these things, music in the background. I don't even turn down my music. A lot of people turn down their music to do a review. I'm not. I like the music. Let's try Batman Returns. Let's see if that works. Let's hit start. So hotkey and B. Let's go down to the cheats. Focus the camera real quick on there. Bam. Let's go to cheat file. Let's go to Super Nintendo. I just missed it. There we go, because they have a Nintendo, Super Nintendo. Okay, so let's go down to Batman. You see all these these games in here with these cheats. Now keep in mind when you get this, well, let's talk about that when I exit this. I'll tell you what you have to do to download that. That was Batman Forever. Okay, Action Replay is what I meant. So there's Game Genie and Action Replay. That's the second one. And then there's RetroArch Rumbles. I really don't mess with that. But let's go to Batman Returns. I'm going to do Game Genie. So let me just move that up and show you real quick. We've got start with 9 lives, infinite lives, start with 6 lives, protection from some hazards, cape sweep uses up no energy, spare gun uses up no energy, maximum energy, cape, yada yada yada. So let's go to infinite lives, swipe over, start with 9 lives. Let's go with the cape sweep, protection from some hazards. They got no invincibility here or nothing like that? No, okay. So we're gonna go back up. We're gonna go to apply changes. Let's see if this works now. Remember, I did say that some console codes don't work, so you're basically fiddling around with it, but let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna hit start. Michael Keaton was the best Batman. I went crazy when I saw the screen when I was younger. I was like, oh my god! Scene 1, ambush in Gotham Plaza. Alright, let's see. Batman's all big and swole. People are running. Let's see. Oh, I don't think this code works. Wait a minute. He did hit me and nothing happened. Hold up. Maybe I can still get hit, but no power. Oh, okay. I can still get hit, but no power goes down. Okay. So the code works. Let's do the cape sweep. Oh, getting the crap beat out of me. 1 second. Okay. Oh, no energy went down on that. Booyah. Booyah. So you see, the codes do work on the console too. Pick and choose your battles. You know what game was really, really hard? Ninja Gaiden. I think before we go, that's one game that we should try. Hotkey start. Let's exit. Ninja Gaiden had to be one of the hardest NES games. Okay, so let's hit Ada back out of here. Nintendo. I know a lot of people were interested in beating this game because, oh my god. Okay, let's go. The first one was just like super hard, so pass it up. Okay. Alright, here we go. Let's definitely check out this. I am keeping this image on my Game Pi 43 because I think it fits it. And again, I send kudos to Galistio for his image. Great image guy. Okay. Okay, so let's go here. Cheats. Let's go to Nintendo. Entertainment system. I'm going from the bottom up. Let's go to Ninja Gaiden. Do 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 do. Scriddly do da da. Alright, Ninja Gaiden 1, Game Genie. Okay. Let's start with Infinite Lives, of course. Use Fire Windmill. Infinite Energy and Untouchable. I think I won't need the Fire Windmill then if I'm untouchable, but hey. Let's apply changes. Let's A to back out, B to resume. Let's see if I run past somebody. Oh, this code doesn't work. Help me. Someone help me. This code doesn't work at all. Oh god. But you know this game is super hard. I remember when I was on my Shield portable and I entered in the code manually, it worked. So, but yeah, that's just to give you an idea of, you know, how to use some of the codes. Now, let's say that you don't have the codes when you do your first build, okay? So we're gonna go back into Ninja Gaiden. You don't have the codes. Make sure that you have Wi-Fi enabled and you enter your Wi-Fi information on your build of Retropie, whether it be the Game Pi 43, the Game Hat, the LCL Pi Boy, the GPI case, whatever, consoles, Super NES Mini, NES Mini, yada yada, you know what I mean. You're gonna again hit, and this is assuming that you have Wi-Fi set up, you're going to go down to no, that's not. You're gonna go to this. You're gonna go to Online Updater, and you're gonna go to where you update the cheats. This will download the cheat file with all those systems that you saw, and you'll be able to use the cheats on your systems. MAME is different depending on what MAME emulator you use. Some of the emulators have that cheat.dat file pre-installed, so when the person that does the build, like Gasolino, he will put the ROMs in there and the cheat.dat will already be there and you'll be good. So there we go. Let's get out of here. You can just go to quit RetroArch and get out of here. And just want to show you a quick thing about the codes. This is Tech Made Simple, guys. Trying to make it simple as possible. You have a great day.